Well, I have the bulk of the blocks and the other units on the design wall now. It's really important, I think, to have a design wall. If you don't have one, they're really easy to put together. You just use some insulation board that you get at the home and repair supply store and cover it either with flannel or felt or even a batting. So I think it's indispensable when you're designing your own work and you need to see how things look along the way. So I used my drawing and I simply brought all of the pieces up to the board and used the drawing, leaving empty spots for the pieces or the units that I don't have complete yet. So we're going to have our two borders, probably this side and this side, with our curved piecing. And I'm not sure if it's going to go blue in or green in yet, but we'll just set it there. So that will be on this side, and we'll do another one for here. And then we have this wonderful high contrast piece that we're going to use in these empty areas, and we're going to have it going in different directions. So to kind of just get an idea, this will go here, and you can just see how that high contrast just pops and gives some great interest when it's mixed amongst all the rest of the blocks. It'll go here also, and then just a little tiny bit of it right here. So I think this is going to have a really important role in the piece. When you're considering which blocks to use, like I said earlier, I always make extra blocks. That way I don't have to think too much about the color along the way. Now I will put some blocks up on the wall as I go and say, okay, well, since I've got, a deep dark blue-violet star here, I probably don't want another deep dark blue-violet star if I'm only going to have 3 stars. So I do think about the color a little, but not too much. I love having those extra blocks. I can always throw something else together. So let's go ahead and move on to doing some of the piecing, and I think we're going to start with this wonderful freestyle curve piecing first.